Welcome to the Daily Speak channel. Alex, you look worried. What's wrong?
Jessica, I have a problem. A big problem.
Okay, tell me. What happened?
I went outside and I forgot my key.
You forgot your key? Oh no.
Yes, I closed the door and now the key is inside.
Oh, so you locked yourself out.
Yes, I locked myself out. And it's even worse.
Worse? What do you mean?
My phone is also inside. No key and no phone.
Oh no. So you can't open the door and you can't call anyone.
Exactly. I can't do anything.
What about your roommate?
He will come back tonight, very late.
So you can't go in until tonight.
Yes. What should I do?
Well, that means you have one free day now.
Free day? I feel nervous. No phone? No key?
Don't worry. Maybe this is actually a good thing.
A good thing? Really?
Yes, you can try one whole day without a phone.
One day without a phone. That sounds scary.
It can be fun. We can go out. We can look around.
Go out? Where can we go?
Let's start with the library.
The library? Okay. But how can we go there?
We can take the bus.
The bus? But I always use Uber. I need my phone.
Not today. Today we use the bus.
Okay, let's try. No phone, no key, just the bus.
Here we are. This is the bus stop for the library.
The bus stop for the library. Okay, we wait here.
Yes, we wait here. Look, the bus is coming now.
Good. I was getting nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Because without my phone, I don't know the time.
Yes, no phone means no clock.
Right. I usually check the bus time on my phone.
Today, you'll learn another way. Just look at the bus stop sign.
Look at the bus stop sign. Okay.
Now let's get on the bus.
All right. One ticket to the library, please.
Perfect. Take the ticket.
One ticket to the library. Got it.
Where should we sit?
Near the window?
Okay, let's sit by the window.
Wow, this feels strange.
Strange? Why?
Because everyone is on their phone, but I don't have a phone.
Yes, many people just look at their phones.
I feel nervous. What should I do?
Look outside.
Look outside. Okay. Oh, nice view.
Better than a small screen, right?
Yes, better than a small screen.
See, without a phone, you can really see the world.
See the world. I like that.
And you can also talk to me.
Yes, talk to you, not to my phone.
Remember, we get off at the library stop.
The library stop. Don't let me miss it.
Don't worry, I'll tell you.
Without my phone, I feel lost, but also free.
Lost and free? That's interesting.
Yes, it's new for me, but maybe it's good.
Here we are. This is the library.
Wow, it's big and very quiet.
Yes, it's a quiet place for reading and studying.
Reading and studying. No noise.
People come here to focus.
Focus. You mean to pay attention.
Exactly. Let's go inside.
Inside the library. Look, so many books.
Yes, let's find a book about cooking.
Cooking? In the library?
Yes, there are books about everything.
Everything? Even cooking?
Yes, here, take this book. Let's sit by the window.
Nice table. The sunlight feels warm.
It's a comfortable place, right?
Comfortable. Feels good and easy. Yes.
Now look at this recipe.
Recipe. A plan for food. I like it. I can read it without my phone.
Books give full information.
Full information. Not small pieces like on my phone. I feel calm.
The library makes you calm.
Yes. No phone, just books.
Your eyes look tired. Let's take a break and go to the beach.
The beach? That sounds nice.
Here we are. Look at the sea.
Wow! The sea is so big, wide and open. I like it.
Look at the waves. They never stop.
The waves never stop, always moving.
Yes, the sea is alive.
Alive? You mean it never sleeps?
Exactly.
I usually only see pictures on my phone. Now I see it with my own eyes.
Yes, with your eyes, not a screen.
No phone, just the sea and the sand. This feels really beautiful.
A memory is better than a picture.
Maybe you're right. I feel peaceful.
The sun is going down. Let's go to the cinema.
A movie on a big screen? That sounds exciting.
Here we are. This is the cinema lobby.
So many posters and so many lights.
Here are our tickets. Let's go inside.
It's already dark and the screen is huge.
Yes, much bigger than a phone.
The sound is loud and strong. I feel like I'm inside the story.
That's the magic of the cinema.
I love it. It's better than watching on my phone.
The movie is finished. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, a lot. The big screen was amazing.
Now we're walking home. The city looks beautiful at night.
Yes, street lights, tall buildings, everything feels alive.
And you spent the whole day without your phone.
Yes, and I feel calm. Life can be full without a phone.
That's a beautiful idea.
I learned a lot today. The bus, the library, the beach, the cinema, all without a phone.
And you practiced English in real situations.
Yes, I feel more confident now.
Confidence is the best gift from today.
Less phone, more learning. I really like that.
Thank you for spending this day with us on The Daily Speak.
If you enjoyed this story and learned new English, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.
And tell us in the comments, can you spend one day without your phone?
Also tell us which country you're watching from.
See you in the next lesson on The Daily Speak.